Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through step-by-step how to get started setting up and using the VidIQ MCP inside Claude. I've got the website pulled up for it here. I've been using VidIQ for a couple years now to optimize my YouTube channels, not just this one, but my other channel as well, for SEO and search engine optimization. It's one of the best tools out there. The really nice thing about this particular MCP is that it allows you to supercharge your Claude with the best YouTube data and connect YouTube to Claude in order to get real data-backed answers instantly. And then you can always upgrade to the paid plan of VidIQ as well. The prices start at only $19 per month, and I have an affiliate link which I'm going to leave in the description below if you want to sign up with my affiliate link. If we scroll down here, you can see this is what it looks like without the MCP. Just doing a simple search inside Claude, and this is what it looks like with the MCP. So basically it can pull in all of your data, it has access to everything once you connect it inside Claude. You can either use your browser or you can use the Claude Desktop app. In this tutorial we're going to be using the Claude Desktop app, and then it also works with Cursor, ChatGPT, Codex, OpenClaw, and any other MCP client. In order to get started setting up Claude YouTube MCP, all you have to do is open up your browser, go to claude.ai, or you can use the desktop app. So you can see here I already have the desktop app open, and if I want to add the MCP connector, all I have to do is click on this plus icon here. So once you click on add a connector, you can choose for the different connectors, but chances are it's not going to show up here, so you'll need to enter in the MCP server URL. And as you can see right here, it says add from VidIQ for Claude. Now we've got a couple different options here. We can do a content gap analysis, competitor breakdown, channel health check, niche evaluation, or video idea validation. In this case, I'd like to do an idea validation. And then all we have to do from here is enter in the prompt input. So I'm just going to say VidIQ MCP, and we're going to add that prompt. And it's going to crunch all the data. You can see it's loading in the tools now. It's doing the keyword research. You can see exactly what it's doing right here by clicking on request. And then it provides a result right here. It says the outlier results for VidIQ MCP return completely unrelated videos. This is a signal that the exact keyword combination has zero video supply on YouTube. Let me now run the trending search and a breakout sort to confirm. So now it's going to run through trending videos, and it will do all of the research for me over here. While this is running, I'm also going to come over to this tab. I've just told it to run a full audit on AI Automation Station YouTube channel. It loads all the tools and then it pulls in all the data. And you can see right here, this is the full audit for my YouTube channel. So it shows the number of subscribers I have, total views, videos published, as well as the channel age. And it gives me a full breakdown of my 90-day growth trajectory. It also shows the upload cadence and publishing pace. So on average, I post about 4 videos a week, the number of views per video on average, as well as the number of subscribers I'm getting per video. It also breaks down the view velocity after publishing, so 1 hour after, 24 hours after publishing, 48 hours. And the most important thing here is that it shows me exactly what I should be doing to grow my channel faster, as well as some of the keyword opportunities that I might want to target. So everything from AI automation to NAN tutorials, AI tutorials, all that stuff. And it also shows some of the breakouts on my channel as well. So I recently published a video on open code, which got a ton of views in a single day, and that is way above average. So it's recommending me to create more videos on those topics. And here's the full site audit with step-by-step what I should be doing to grow the channel even faster. So if that's not valuable information, I don't know what is. I wouldn't be able to get access to this without the MCP simply by chatting with Claude because it doesn't have access to any of my data. Here's some of the different use cases that you might want to implement into the VidIQ MCP, and you can basically just copy and paste these and then come on over to Claude and paste it in over here if you want to try out some of the different use cases. And you can also see some of the endpoints that you have access to and tools as well. So they have a tool for keyword research to find keywords your competitors are sleeping on, as well as the outlier detection and channel stats in order to audit any channel in seconds. We've got access to trending videos. This is another skill or tool basically that's built into the MCP. as well as breakout channels if you want to do research on other channels in your niche and figure out what they're doing and basically kind of emulate the videos but make them slightly better. So overall, I'm pretty impressed by the MCP. Run a full health check on my channel and suggest improvements that I might want to do to fix it up. And that's just going to pull in my entire history for the channel. And then we should get a result relatively soon here. So here's my health check for the YouTube channel. Channel overview, subscribers. It looks like it didn't actually pull in the right channel because that is not my channel. We're going to go ahead and try that again. I'm just going to come to connectors. Let's do a competitor breakdown in this case. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my ID from my channel, which is over here. Just going to copy and paste that, and then we're going to put that in here. There we go. So what that's going to do is just going to take this entire prompt, which it's creating on its own over here, and it should do a competitor analysis on my channel versus others in my niche. Okay, so now all the data is collected and it's going to provide the full competitor breakdown. This is the full competitor analysis for AI Automation Station. It shows my growth trajectory. It says the channel is aggressively accelerating, which is definitely what I want to hear. The 30-day snapshot tells a clear story, so we can see total number of subscribers 30 days ago versus today. So I've gained like 600 subscribers in about 30 days. You can see that right there, as well as the total number of views 30 days ago and the total number of views today. So that's up about 34%. And we can see total number of videos published. I've been staying really consistent over the past 2 weeks, publishing a new video almost every single day. So consistency is the name of the game on YouTube. It is the most important aspect for growing a channel, and the data here confirms that as well. So it says the daily data reveals something even more telling. Growth was slow and steady in early April, then exploded around April 23rd to 24th because that's when I posted one of my sort of viral videos. The views jumped from 167,000 to 179,000 in a single day, coinciding with a publishing burst of 3 videos. The channel is publishing 5 to 6 videos per week across long form and shorts, and subscriber velocity has been compounding weekly since then. So verdict is the channel is accelerating and not plateauing. That's exactly what I want to hear. We can also continue going through some of the data over here. You can see the long form is on average about 10 to 18 minutes. That's what's driving the bulk of my views. And also the long form videos are much easier to monetize. You don't need millions and millions of views on long form videos versus shorts in order to get paid a decent amount from YouTube. And it also shows the channel operates across 4 clear content pillars, including AI coding tools, automation workflows like NAAndMake.com, AI avatars, TubeAnalytics, which is my software as a service that I mentioned earlier. And it's recommending a few things here that I should do to grow the channel faster based on the videos that are doing well. Free cursor alternative, free Claude code, Klein versus Claude code. These are some of the videos on my channel that are performing really, really well. So it would make sense to dive down and go deeper into those topics and keep creating more and more of those videos. And it also shows some of my keyword opportunities as well, such as Claude skills. This is a high opportunity in YouTube automation, another high opportunity. YouTube analytics, which is relatively medium, but I definitely need to create more videos on this topic. And it also shows the competitor strategy report. And it says the TubeAnalytics video has almost 0 genuine community response. It looks seeded. That's partially because I actually ran YouTube ads on that particular video. So I basically paid to get more views on the video, which is something I very, very rarely do on the channel. But for that particular one, I just wanted to get more customers over to TubeAnalytics, so I ran some ads. That's why it's not getting many comments. And it also says no deep dive competitor series, no data storytelling, no benchmark content, so I need to work on that. And then the tags are inconsistent. Some videos heavily tagged, others are sparse. I wouldn't agree with that one because I usually use VidIQ to do all my tagging, and it works great. I've been using them for years. This video is not sponsored by VidIQ. I just wanted to make a tutorial showing how to use this MCP because I think it's going to be very, very helpful for people that are looking to grow their YouTube channels. And also, once again, go ahead and check out TubeAnalytics. It is my software as a service. Every possible feature that you could want is built into the dashboard here. It's completely free for 3 days, and then it's like 19 bucks a month, so it's very affordable, competitive with VidIQ. With that being said, please go ahead and check out TubeAnalytics, and then also check out VidIQ. Their MCP is very powerful. I would ultimately like to build something like this into my TubeAnalytics software as a service as well. So stay tuned for updates on that. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this one. Stay tuned for the next one. Take care, stay safe. Peace from Thailand. Signing off.